Merhaba and greetings from the Maldives. My name is Verena and I'm the environmental consultant for Kurumba Maldives. Today's video is all about the environment, in particular saving our marine life. The Maldivian ecosystem is very, very fragile. The islands look like pearls on strings and are just protected by a surrounding house reef. Now this house reef is very sensitive and we have to do everything to protect it. If we don't do that, we might actually end up losing the reefs and all these nice sandy beaches in time. So we need all the help we can get, and you can play your part as well. So today, let's take a look at the little things we can do to protect our piece of paradise. Feel free to sunbathe on the beach or take a leisurely walk around the island. But you have to note a few things here as well. Help us to keep the beach clean, so please do not litter. Any rubbish might end up in the sea and that might harm marine life. So we have placed dustbins all around the island for your convenience. Please do not pick shells because hermit crabs need them to protect the soft backside. Now if we take too many shells from the beach, we kill the hermit crabs, and the hermit crabs eat algae that sandflies eat. That means if we kill the hermit crabs, we might end up with the beaches full of sandflies. To minimize the use of sunscreens, please wear protective clothing such as rash guards or t-shirts. If you have to apply sunscreen, make sure that it is waterproof and let it get absorbed into your skin as early as possible before you get into the water. Use mineral sunscreen, which is coral friendly, and it's available in most of the resort boutique shops. It's really great to have such a beautiful home for your holiday where you can capture amazing moments with your cameras. However, please ensure that used up batteries, sunscreen lotions and medication bottles are being taken back home where they can be disposed of in an environmentally friendly manner, because here we do have recycling facilities, but we are not fully geared to cope up with corrosives and hazardous chemicals. By the way, if you have time, please take our back of the house tour and check out our recycling plant. Taking this tour can help you understand what we can and cannot recycle on the island. Okay, fish feeding. This is a very sensitive topic and I know it's something that everybody loves to do. But let's take a look at the reasons why we should never ever feed fish. Many species of fish love to eat bread, but they will die because it's not part of their natural diet. And that's one reason why we should not do it. All fishes have a specific role in the sea. Some play a huge part in keeping the coral clean of algae. So if they start relying on human food, the coral might die. Besides that, fish that are being fed may turn aggressive towards snorkelers. Therefore, for the fish's health but also for our own safety, please never feed fish. Please don't engage in any type of fishing activities directly from the resort where you're staying on, because the resort house reefs are protected for the fish to breed here. Most resorts offer fishing excursions away from the island so that you can get a feel of a catch. So let's take a look at what we should do and what we should not do when we go snorkeling and swimming on the house reef. When you snorkel, it is very important to use the snorkeling channels. So inform yourself if your resort has such channels and where they are. These channels are usually marked with buoys or flags, and they make it easy for you to cross the shallow reef flat. When you swim in the reef, always wear a mask to see where you are. Never ever touch the coral or any marine life without supervision by a professional. Human interaction can scare away marine animals like turtles, for example. Other animals can defend themselves by being sharp or actually harm you with their stinging cells or spines. Please never stand on rocks, because what may seem dead to you could be actually a living coral animal. It takes years for them to form. So always learn snorkeling in the pool or on sandy patches, and whenever you cross the reef, make sure not to stand up. Keep your fins at the surface and never kick at the sand, as it will smother the coral and kill it. Islands have different environmental awareness programs that you can participate in, such as turtle identification, manta identification, or other green initiatives. It's always a good idea to support them and to find out more from these resorts. If you would like to take an active role with us while on holiday, you can join us on our weekly coral gardening activity. It's fun, it's entertaining, and you get to save little corals from the sea floor that would otherwise have no chance to survive. Thank you for joining us. If you're coming to Kurumba or any other resort in the Maldives, please remember these points to help us preserve the environment. Please like and share this video and give us your ideas for future videos in the comment box. Subscribe to our channel for more handy hints and to make the best of your holiday in the Maldives.